How's it going, everybody? This is 2017-18 Panini Cornerstones basketball 3-box break. This is 1/4 case break number 1. First one. Be sure to check out our website, jaspycasebreaks.com. Always doing a ton of breaks on there. 7 nights a week, youtube.com/Jaspy's Case Breaks. Shadow Wolf, you too? Yeah, I mean, yeah, Jeff was saying he almost bid on one of the guys earlier too. Yeah, it's tough. There's so many players to bid on, it's hard to pick one. And then if you end up bidding on everybody you want, you end up owning half the break. Alright, so these are already into 3s, which is awesome. So all we need to do is randomize the dice. Came out there, that came out there. We just need to randomize the dice. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 6, we'll just re-roll it. Yeah, I mean, that's definitely possible too, yeah. Only 6 jerseys, but hey, I mean, you can look at it the other way. All you need to bid on is one player. We had a few people tonight bid on one player and they hit, so you gotta sometimes see both sides. But yeah, I totally get where you're coming from. Alright. 5 will re-roll 3, so we'll do stack 3 for break 1. 1, 2, 3. These other 9 boxes will be broken right after this. Break number 2 coming up right after this. Yeah, for sure. It's almost like a little entertainment value. That's how you can spin zone it. I like that. Alright, first one up, we have number 165. That is Derek Favors, Utah Jazz. LeBron, that one goes to the Cavaliers still. Still in the Cavaliers uniform. 23 out of 49. Look at that. That is a jersey number. eBay 101, as I like to call it. And many other people. Nice. That jersey number is pretty cool. Harry Giles, relic, building blocks. Although he's not number 23 anymore. But in that uniform he was. Harry Giles, relic, not numbered for the Sacramento Kings. We have an autograph for the Bullets, 94 out of 99. That is Elvin Hayes. Well, I believe the Bullets just turned into the Wizards, right? I want to say maybe the Clippers. We'll go by the checklist. So let me pull up group break checklist here while we have a second. I'll show the other cards while it's loading. We got a Cornerstones quad relic and autograph number 75. That's Wes Iwundu for the Magic. Wizards, yeah, that's what I figured. There's one team that turned into the Clippers who I always get wrong. It's like the Kentucky Colonels or something. I always mess that up. And then we have a Startups of Maxi Kleber. Startups insert, not numbered, for the Mavs. Alright, empty box. Box 2. And the only basketball on our website right now is NT basketball, I think. And we also have some NT collegiate basketball, which is a lot cheaper. So, if you like the NT, be sure to check it out. I think we only have 5 left in our Pick Your Team for National Treasures from this year. Alright. First one here, Dario Saric, still a Sixer on this one. Number to 165. Eric Bledsoe, 12 out of 25 for the Bucks. Courtney Lee, relic. Fracture memorabilia for the New York Knicks. Speaking of the Knicks, did anyone see Amari Stoudemire. I think he's trying out for some teams. And look at this. Didn't I just say I was confused by this team? Artis Gilmore, Kentucky Colonels, which is the ABA, 10 out of 99. So let me see. Group break checklist has this as it might be Spurs, it might be who knows where Artis Gilmore played the longest. Let's see. So Cornerstones 17-18, and I'll drop the checklist link in the chat too, which I should have done earlier. All right, Artis Gilmore. So it looks like franchise foundation signatures and parallels goes to the Chicago Bulls. Chicago Bulls on that one. So there you go, Bulls. Did he play for the Spurs also? Yeah. But this one has him as a Bull. There you go. Next, we got DJ Wilson. Nice Cornerstones quad patch autograph. I like the Cornerstones a lot. DJ Wilson for the Milwaukee Bucks. 17/49. And we have a startups, another Maverick, that is Dennis Smith Jr. Still on the Mavs in this one. Alright, and the third and final box for break one. Thanks everybody for getting in. Appreciate it. We got number to 165, Doug McDermott, Dallas Mavericks. Pau Gasol, 1 out of 49 for the Spurs. We got Ivan Robb, Memphis Grizzlies, building blocks relic. Not numbered for the Grizzlies. We got a franchise foundations 56 out of 159. Horace Grant. Nice. Bulls doing well in this one. Last couple here, nice Jonathan Isaac, number to 75. Quad relic and autograph, former Florida State Seminole, I believe. Now Magic. And the final one here, we have a startups not numbered. What a nice insert for the Lakers. That is Josh Hart still, of course, on the Lakers in this one. So there you go. Thanks everybody for getting in. That was Cornerstones 3-box break number 1.